Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yoyo here, back in with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have a super cool meta combo for you that starts from a negative 2.0 hook. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. So obviously that would be the negative 2.0 hook. And bang. That is the whole trick. Before I get into this video, obviously using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. So yeah, to start this trick off, you're obviously going to do your negative 2.0 hook. And then what you're going to do from here is you're going to drop this front string off your index finger like so. From here you should notice that there is like sort of this reverse double or nothing mount. And what you're going to do is you're going to throw this string into the yo-yo like so. So that it creates just your basic undermount. So altogether that should look like this. From this basic undermount, you're going to roll this string around your whole wrist to create like this weird wrap, and then do an under whip whilst rolling out of the like undermount, like so. From here you can cross your hands, making sure that your non-throw hand finger goes over top of your throw hand one, and then pop up. Whilst popping up, you're going to uncross, and also make sure that you cut like the yo-yo as well. So you should be in like what's it called? In like one of the weird double or nothing variants, basically. From this pop up underpass, like undercut thing, what you're going to do is you're going to move the yo-yo over your non-throw hand. At the same time, you're going to do that same whip that you did here again, but this time that whip should land you in a mount that looks similar to a sub mount, except from you should notice that you've got a little twist in it. From here, you're going to throw this slack off the yo-yo into the front whilst pinching with your index finger and middle finger here. That should look like this. Then you can do a little half set or a full semicircle around the back of the yo-yo like so. Now you can put your index finger back into this basically sub mount with a kink in it and cross your arms. Whilst you cross your arms, you're going to pop the yo-yo into this top string, and as it falls down, you're going to want to land onto the back string. That should look like that. From here, there's only one more thing to do, which is to uncross your arms, drop this slack off the back of the yo-yo this time, and then form a half semicircle, which should leave you in a trapeze. That is the whole trick. From there, you can pop from the trapeze and bind. Sorry for hitting you. And then that is the whole trick completed for you. Negative 2.0 hook, obviously, drop, slack one, whip, pop up, slack again, roll in, reverse green triangle onto a regular green triangle, and then bind. So yeah, that's the whole tutorial. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below and I will be sure to answer them. Or you can reach out to me on Kieran Yoyo on Instagram or TikTok, and I'll be sure to answer you there as well. Otherwise, like, comment and whatnot, and yeah, peace.
Ya sé bailar así no fue vivir un despertar. Lo sé, ahora sí, no estás ahí, ni estás allá. Yo sé lo que pasó, perdimos dirección y el vino se quedó sin sabor. Un despertar. quedó